Goal of this activity is to improve your squat mobility, loosen up your entire back. Lots of good things here. It's also not a bad lower body power exercise. I'll usually program this for someone who has a hard time driving below parallel into the squat, or if you have someone who has limitations in hip flexion or hip extension. It's also not a bad move to work on your overhead capabilities. So if you have any posterior expansion limitations, this move's for you. Here's what you're going to do. Get yourself a ramp or something to elevate your heels on, and you want to get a little weight. Start at the top of the ramp. You're going to exhale, tuck your hips, and then ramp your shoulder blades down and slightly forward without crunching. Just like that. From here, you're going to keep this position. Push your knees forward. Your elbows can come out to the sides as long as you maintain that rocked forward shoulder position. And from here, you're going to take a breath bear in. On the exhale, you're going to explode up as high as you can. I would land on the ground in front of you, just because it's a little uncomfortable to land on a ramp. So I'm wrapped, tucked, breath bear in. Exhale, jump up. Soft landing. Then you'll repeat the process. Make sure the knees stay forward. Land whole foot contact. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.